So this is the pre-amplifier section of Philips FW335, and I'll take you through the components, passive components and the active integrated circuits that contribute the ultimate sound quality of FW335. So you can see in signal path there are all ELNA RE2 series capacitors. These orange ones are Philips MKTs, MKT 368 series. Let me zoom on it. And there are four different capacitors that are Rubicon SSP series, which I have not seen in any other electronics except for Philips, and they are also in signal path. I think these capacitors are very rare. I have not seen them in any other amplifier. So you can see here clearly that is Rubicon SSP, and these are in signal path. And as it is with this system, the green color ones, resistors, miniaturized resistors, SFR 16.5 watts, Philips SFR 16, metal films. They are also in signal path and they contribute to the sound quality. Okay, these all are passive components. Now the active integrated circuits that help good sound, to deliver good sound in FW335. The one of the biggest secrets is this TEA, Philips TEA 6321 sound fader IC. This IC contributes in volume control or source selection and enhancements such as bass boost, dynamic bass boost, and equalizer, digital equalizer, that is for rock, pop, jazz, and optimal. All this is all these functions are carried out by this IC TEA 6321, and it is I2S bus controlled via MUPC microcontroller. And the main preamp IC is JRC 4556. Now this is the secret that gives this when I use this IC JRC 4556 in my P3 amplifier, I realized that the 3D instrument placement is given by this IC. So I have all the systems I have heard up till now, the most 3D and cohesive instrument placement is that of JRC 4556. And you can see that all the music systems made by Philips during this time frame, that is all the AW series or AS series powerhouse systems, the latter versions of powerhouse systems were all had this JRC 4556 in preamp, almost same preamp. This preamp is used in many good sounding music systems made by Philips. And if you want musical sounding system, this preamp is the biggest secret or revelation of how to make a good preamp. That is, one is JRC 4556, ELNA, second is ELNA RE2 capacitors. You can see it is written ELNA RE2. Third is Philips MKT 368 series or 378 series, 370 series, both sound same. And fourth is this resistor, Philips resistor SFR 16, metal film resistor.